funded precision diagnostic company focused on ultra-sensitive quantitative genomics technology. Mission is to make molecular diagnostics more accurate and accessible, service oncology, prenatal and population scale screening markets, driven by strong clinical validation and data-backed innovation. Key partners: academic research institutions for genomics validation and studies, hospitals and diagnostic labs for clinical deployment, biotech and pharma companies for companion diagnostics, regulatory bodies for compliance and approvals, technology partners for sequencing and AI tools. Key partners: investors including Y Combinator for funding and mentorship, manufacturing partners for test kits and regions, data providers for genomic reference datasets, healthcare systems for pilot programs, global distribution partners. Developing precision diagnostic using quantitative NGS, clinical validation and trials for new tests, regularity submissions and compliance, continuous R&D and assay improvements, data analysis and bioinformatics development.
Key activities: manufacturing and quality control of test kits, scalable enablement and physician education, customer support for labs and hospitals, publishing clinical research, scaling operational infrastructure. Key resources: proprietary qPCR and NGS technology, highly skilled genomics and AI talent, clinical trial datasets, intellectual property and patents, strong brand credibility in precision diagnostics. Advanced laboratory infrastructure, regulatory expertise, capital from venture funding, strategic partnerships, scalable data platforms. Value propositions: ultra accurate genetic diagnostics with zero false positives, early detection of diseases like cancer, non invasive and cost effective testing, fast turnaround times than traditional methods, clinically validated and trusted results.
Value proportion count: improve patient outcome through earlier invention, actionable insight for physicians, scalable diagnostic for population screening, reduce healthcare cost, and high sensitive even at a mutation level. Customer relationship: long-term partnership with hospital and labs, direct clinical support teams, training programs for lab technician, ongoing research collaborations, high through enterprise sales model. Customer relationship count: regularity and complaint assistance, data-driven performance reporting, continuous product update, medical advocacy engagement, and trust-based evidence-driven relationship. Channels: direct sales at hospital and diagnostic labs, clinical conference and medical event, peer-reviewed journals, strategic partnerships, digital outreach to clinicians.
Customers in the hospital and the healthcare system, biomedical acquisition, organs and repression, biotech and pharma companies, public health organization, parallel testing private centers, any program, research institution, increase product, healthcare product, global healthcare market. Cost structure, R&D and cylinder and cost, laboratory operation requirement, regulation and comparison, explain manufacturing quality control, sales and marketing expression, cost and complete, data integration and reparation, data sources and complete, prices and fine and loss and cost, partnership and collection, the operation scaling operation total for the
per test diagnostic revenue, long-term contract with the website, combination diagnostic for pharma, research and clinical service fees. Stream count: subscription-based lab service, population screening programs, international market expansion revenue, data and analytics service, future pipeline diagnostic product. Model Canva overview. Business model Canvas BMC is a strategic management framework which usually maps how a company create, deliver and capture the value. Consists of 9 key building blocks of converting business fundamentals, Help startup align product, market and operational strategy. Readily used by startup innovator and accelerator like Y Combinator. Your time and attention. This business model canvas outline billions to one core strategy, demonstrate scalability, innovation and clinical impact, open to questions, discussion and feedback, committed to transforming prescription diagnostics globally. Thank you.